Hey, it's Jorge over at Ron Tonkin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram Fiat, and I'm here to give you a full walk around of the all-new Wagoneer S Launch Edition. Let's go. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor, we've got a powerhouse, a 400-volt battery with 100 kilowatt capacity, delivering over 300 miles of all-electric range. It pairs with dual 250 kilowatt electric drive modules, producing an incredible 600 horsepower and 617 pound-feet of torque, launching the Wagoneer S from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Charging is convenient and flexible. On a level 2 charger, you can charge from 20 to 80% in approximately 6 hours. Or if you're in a hurry, a level 3 DC fast charger gets you there in just 23 minutes. With your purchase, you'll also receive the Free to Move Charging Home or Charge Go package, which means either a 48 amp hardwired L2 home charger or $600 in public charging credits. And of course, you're covered with the battery system warranty, 8 years, 100,000 miles, or 10 years, 150,000 miles if you're in a zero emission state. This vehicle isn't just quick, it's also capable. You've got select terrain drive modes to handle any conditions, including auto, sport, sand, snow, and eco. And yes, it can still tow up to 3,400 pounds. For safety, it's loaded. Blind spot monitoring with turn signal activated blind spot view, front and rear park sense and rear stop, automatic emergency braking with forward collision warning, and traffic signal recognition with intelligent speed assist, include level 2 active driving assist, a surround view camera, autonomous parking assist, front camera washer, and rear camera washer. Inside, you're also greeted by 3 incredible displays: a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 center touchscreen, a 10.25-inch lower center screen, and a class-exclusive 10.25-inch front passenger screen. Let's not forget luxury. Massaging front seats, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, a dual-pan panoramic moonroof, ambient lighting with 64 selectable colors, electric door release. You also have the convenience of a hands-free power rear tailgate. And of course, we can't overlook the segment-exclusive 19-speaker 1200-watt McIntosh premium audio system. Now, let's talk tech. The EV pages allow you to monitor drivetrain power flow, see driving history and power usage, set charging and climate schedules, and even customize AC charging. Climate scheduling helps you preserve your range. The Wagoneer S has max Regen mode, also called e-coasting. With the Jeep Connect app, you can do it all from your phone. Set your charging schedule, view your state of charge, find charging stations, use dynamic range mapping, send and go, book service appointments, and view vehicle health report. Check out the front illuminated 7-slot grille, a signature Jeep look made modern. You'll also see glossed black accents on the wheels, mirror covers, and window trim, sleek and aggressive. It's the quickest, most aerodynamic Jeep ever, with a discharge rate of 500 kilowatts and a coefficient of drag of just 0.29, which is 15% better than the average SUV. For those off-road adventures, there's rough road cruise control. And if you're leasing, yes, the Inflation Reduction Act lease EV credit of $7,500 may apply. So that's the full walk around of the all-electric Wagoneer S. If you want power, tech, luxury, and true Jeep capabilities in one EV package, this is the SUV for you. Come see me at Ron Tonkin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram Fiat, and let's electrify your next adventure.